I'm going to be showing you how to make a no gravity part in Roblox. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our part. So let's go to home, click part, and then you should have your part right there. I'm just going to move it, so I'm going to drag it over here. Next, you're going to want to go to model, go to create, and then click on VectorForce. Then I'm just going to move my camera a bit to fix it, and then I'm going to click the part. Now that made a force inside of the part, but let's go to view, go to explore and properties. If you don't have the VectorForce selected, you can go to explore, open up workspace, open up the part, and then go to VectorForce. Next, we're going to make it go up only. So we're going to change this to be up, which is the middle number, and then we're going to change it to be relative to the world, and then apply at center of mass. Now what this does is just adds a force to the part, but if you want to make it no gravity, there's two ways to do it. Here's the faster way. We just go to the part, we find the mass, so the mass is 5.6, and then we get the gravity, which is in workspace, so 196.2, and then we multiply it by the mass, so let's go to VectorForce and just put 5.6 times 106.2. So it's just the mass times the gravity, and it should do it for you. And then now if we go to home and we press run, if I move the part up, you can see it doesn't move. Now the issue with this is, if you want to change the size of the part or anything, you're going to have to adjust this manually. But instead of doing that, we're just going to make a script. So let's right click VectorForce, insert object, and then we're going to insert a script. It should be here, or you can type it in. And then we can easily do this with just one line of code. So script.parent, which is the VectorForce.force equals vector3.new, and then script.parent get mass times workspace.gravity, and then it'll automatically adjust it. So if I just change the size, change the material, and then I press run, as you can see here, it still floats. Make sure to slap the like button and punch the subscribe button. Peace.